Hey guys, what's going on? I've noticed in Japan there's a lot of vending machine at the train stations. This one's like a drink machine. Then we have another drink machine. And we have a candy machine. And I love their vending machines over here. They're awesome. They're very convenient. This is an ice cream machine. 17 ice. And then we have maybe like a breakfast bar machine. Soy Joy. So there you have it. I just want to make a little short video about the vending machines in Japan. I was at my hotel last night and they had a machine that had beer in it. It had soda and beer in it, and I had never seen that yet. I thought that was pretty cool, especially if you want to have a couple brewskis before you went to bed. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for more. Peace out.